guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Viking helmet on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, so let's get started with the video. Don't mind the outfit, I just can't be bothered right now. I'm just going to select this style shade on set, like crown, and then for the X I'm just going to do 0.49, the Y at 0.50, Z 0.54, and then rotate the X to 0.16, and then the Y at 0.5, and then Z 0.5, and I'm just going to scale it to 0.53. Then I'm just going to get this headband, this one, in gray and brown. And then for this one, position the Z to 0.41. Rotate the same and scale it the same as well. Then we're going to get these horns, and I'm going to color it brown as well. For this one, I'm going to position the Z at 0.64. And I'm going to scale it to 0.71. Then I'm going to get this pirate's hat, and I'm going to color it like gray. Like this gray maybe. This gray and brown for that one in like silk, maybe metallic, and gray for everything else. And then position the Y at 0.34, the Z at 0.48, and then rotate the X to 0.09, the Y at 0.51, and we're going to scale it all the way down to 0.15. Then lastly, we just need the helmet for the last one. Go to codes, get this, and I'm just going to color it that same gray color, except for like the end part. Then position the, okay, it's the same. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. That is how you can create a Viking helmet on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video, nope, I said that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.